Awning window installation in Mesa, Arizona, is a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning windows Mesa styles available, including aluminum awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and wood awning windows, residents of Mesa, Arizona, can find the perfect fit for their needs. Awning window contractors in Mesa, Arizona, offer expert installation services to ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Energy-efficient awning windows Mesa are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of their homes. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to keep your home cool in the hot Arizona summers and warm during the cooler months. Awning window experts in Mesa, Arizona, can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient options available, ensuring you make an informed decision. Custom awning windows Mesa offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home or business. With a range of awning window designs and awning window sizes available, you can create a look that perfectly complements your property's architecture. Awning window suppliers in Mesa can provide a wide selection of materials and styles to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect match for your vision. Awning window installation services in Mesa are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether you have residential awning windows or commercial awning windows, regular maintenance and timely installations can prevent costly replacements. Awning window maintenance in Mesa, Arizona, includes checking for leaks, ensuring proper sealing, and addressing any damage promptly. Awning window replacement in Mesa, Arizona, is a straightforward process with the help of experienced awning window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows Mesa or replacing damaged ones, the process can be seamless and stress-free. Awning window quotes in Mesa, Arizona, can provide you with a clear understanding of the costs involved, allowing you to budget accordingly. Residential awning windows Mesa offer numerous benefits, including improved ventilation and natural light. These windows are ideal for areas that require privacy while still allowing airflow, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Awning window benefits in Mesa include their ability to open outward, providing ventilation even during light rain. Awning window installation in Mesa, Arizona, is a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of awning windows Mesa styles available, including aluminum awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and wood awning windows, residents of Mesa, Arizona, can find the perfect fit for their architectural needs. Awning window contractors in Mesa, Arizona, offer expert installation services to ensure that your new windows are both energy efficient and visually appealing. Energy-efficient awning windows Mesa are designed to reduce energy costs while providing excellent ventilation and natural light. These windows are an ideal choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency without sacrificing style. Awning window experts in Mesa, Arizona, can help you select the best energy-efficient options to suit your specific needs and budget, ensuring that you enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Custom awning windows Mesa offer a personalized touch to any residential or commercial property. Whether you're looking for unique awning window designs or specific awning window sizes, Mesa's awning window suppliers can provide a wide range of options to meet your requirements. Customization allows you to choose from various awning window materials, such as aluminum, vinyl, or wood, to create a look that complements your property's existing design. Awning window installation services in Mesa are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can affect the performance of your awning windows, leading to issues such as drafts, leaks, or difficulty opening and closing. Awning window installation experts in Mesa, Arizona, can address these problems promptly, ensuring that your windows continue to operate efficiently and look their best. Awning window replacement in Mesa, Arizona, is a cost-effective solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient awning windows Mesa can significantly improve your property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Awning window contractors in Mesa, Arizona, offer a range of replacement options, including various awning window brands and styles, to suit your specific needs and preferences. Residential awning windows Mesa are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance and functionality. These windows provide excellent ventilation and natural light, making them ideal for living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. With a variety of awning window styles and designs available, Mesa residents can find the perfect windows to complement their home's architecture and interior design.